Are you looking to find your perfect design idea? Get all the inspiration you need right here.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, don't forget to subscribe.
That's what it's all. His senses and time perception are distorted.
Do you want to design your space like a pro? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.